Stay focused.
Whoa!
This biker was cruising down the highway when suddenly the cop ahead brake checked him.
Oh, what are you doing, bro? Why he brake checked me?
But this wasn't all, because just a few seconds later, he turned on his lights and slammed on the brakes again, causing the biker to rear-end his vehicle.
What are you doing, man? Stop tailgating me!
And instead of making sure he was okay, the cop cuffed him in the middle of the highway.
Think about it. You can wake up with Howard Stern in the morning, let commercial free music. All you gotta do is visit SiriusXM.com/go to sign up online quick.